Dad.
We caught a fish.
A fish.
A fish.
Wait, really?
Yes.
Oh, it's a big one. Net it, Dad.
Put it, put it.
Oh, yeah.
Are you filming the floor or are you filming a fish?
Oh, there's the fish. Just got
You
one.
didn't get skunked.
First fish of the day.
Nice.
Oh my God. Are you?
Bring the tip of your pole up a bit.
We got one already. Now we're getting two.
Good fishing spot.
I guess so.
I see him.
Oh, he's a big one, Jackson. Hey, don't bring him in. Just bring him close to the boat.
Another one.
What do you think, buddy?
Amazing.
Put him in.
Let's put him in with his brother.
What bait are you using?
Anchovies. Yeah.
Yeah, there we go.
When will I get one?
Probably next, Lana.
Hopefully next we've all caught one. Reeling. Don't let it.
What do you got? Oh.
You can do it.
Here, I'll help you hold it. Keep reeling.
No, you're fine. They won't hurt you. They actually want to be eaten.
Oh, there he is. There he is. He's coming in. Coming in hot. There he is.
Yeah, tiny one, Lana, for you. I got a tiny one.
That's not tiny. Are you kidding?
Bring him in.
Netting, Jackson.
Yeah. Professional.
Good job. Bring him up here.
I got
Is
one.
that actually striper?
Yeah, it's a striper.
I got one.
Lana, your first striper, baby.
I got one. Nice. That's my first net.
That's the second.
Jackson's first netting of a striper.
And my first one.
Hey, Lana, don't forget, what else you need to say?
Subscribe and like.